In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a spreadsheet from Google Sheets into Google Slides. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you want to present data in a more engaging and visual format. So let's dive right in and make sure you understand every step of the process. First, open up your Google Sheets document. With your spreadsheet in front of you, identify the specific range of cells that you want to showcase in your Google Slides presentation. It's important to be selective about this part because you want to ensure only the most pertinent data are being displayed to your audience. Once you've decided on the range of cells, click and drag to highlight these cells. This action prepares your selection, making it ready to be copied. Having selected the desired range, you need to copy it. You can do this by right-clicking on the highlighted area and choosing the Copy option from the drop-down menu. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. This simple action loads your clipboard with your spreadsheet data, setting the stage for your next move. Now, let's switch gears and turn our focus to Google Slides. Open the Google Slides presentation where you intend to embed your spreadsheet data. Once your slides are open and you've navigated to the right slide where the data should appear, it's time to paste. Simply right-click where you want the spreadsheet to appear and select Paste. At this point, Google Slides will present you with an important choice. You'll be asked whether you want to link the pasted data or to keep it unlinked. If you choose to link it, any future changes to your original Google Sheets document will automatically update in your Google Slides. This is incredibly useful for dynamic data that is subject to change. On the other hand, if you choose the unlinked option, the data will remain static in Google Slides regardless of changes made in the original spreadsheet. This choice is particularly useful when you're working with finalized data that you don't want to alter accidentally. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Google spreadsheet into your Google Slides presentation. This method is not just efficient, but it also ensures that your presentations are always up to date if you chose the linking option. Remember, this process can help streamline your workflow, especially if you're working with data-driven presentations. Plus, it keeps your audience engaged with clean and clear visuals while conveying crucial information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy presenting!